Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to unbox a drone that's been getting a lot of attention lately. The Potensic ATOM 2. We've got the standard package here, and I have to say, it's one of the most affordable ways to get your hands on a lightweight, feature-packed drone. Perfect for beginners, or anyone looking to step up their aerial game without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in and see what you get inside the box. Visually, Potensic is moving a bit closer to the market leader. The newly optimized rotor tips, now in orange, are also said to help reduce the drone's noise level. Something I'll definitely be verifying myself in the upcoming in-depth review video of the Potensic ATOM 2. What do you think of this drone so far? What's your first impression? The drone controller leaves a very solid and high-quality impression. It feels premium in the hand, with just the right amount of weight, quality materials, and a nice rubberized grip that adds to its overall value feel. Compared to the controllers of the previous Potensic ATOM and ATOM SE, this one clearly feels more refined and well-built. The overall tactile experience is a noticeable step up. In the next video, I'll be testing the drone's features and comparing its image quality with both the previous version and the competition from DJI. If you're interested, feel free to subscribe to my channel.